Happening now, a local youth service center that's been operating for nearly 30 years is taking a new step to meet the needs of the young people it serves today.
Northern News Now's Kyrie Johnson visited the new Lifehouse Wellness Center to tour their space and learn what kind of impact it could have on our local youth.
Lifehouse staff opened a new youth wellness center today here in downtown. The facility focuses on giving a safe space to youth who need mental health and substance use care. Earlier today, staff had a ribbon-cutting ceremony to officially open the newest addition to the list of services that Lifehouse provides. This wellness center offers a warm and safe place for youth to come and relax, take a shower, speak with counselors, and get connected to further help. Executive Director Amber Sadowski says this is more necessary than ever. The team supported hundreds of Duluth youth last year, and they expect even more this year.
We serve 800 youth a year here at Lifehouse, and the wellness program specifically served over 250 youth last year, providing over 7,000 hours of support.
Sadowski says the entire space has been designed with youth needs in mind, and to help remove any barriers to access, all services are free of charge and don't require insurance for youth aged 14 to 24. The Lifehouse Youth Wellness Center is open for people in need during business hours. We'll have more information on our website. In Duluth, Kyrie Johnson, Northern News Now.
Thank you, Kyrie. Now, staff says the new space provides a hub for not only youth in need, but also the wide variety of program staff who provide services.